Welcome to another word problem in Chapter 7. We're solving geometry problem. A rectangle has a perimeter of 14 feet. I'm going to pause here because when we talk about a rectangle has a perimeter, we definitely can use this. 2 times length plus 2 times width equals perimeter. You can also say 2 times L plus width, length plus width equals perimeter. Either is fine. We're going to use one of them. And twice its length L is equal to 1 less than 4 times its width. We're going to translate here. Twice of length L is 2L is equals 1 less than 4 times its width, 4 times width minus 1. All right, we got our second one. So 2L equals 4W minus 1. And then we're also given the perimeter is 14, which means we can go ahead, put 14 here. And also, we can go ahead, divide by 2 each side, and make this even simpler for us. So we have L plus W equals 7. All right, let's see what we have. We have these two simple, good-looking equations. We can use substitution. All right, of course, we can also use elimination, whichever method you pick. I'm going to try substitution this time. L plus W equals 7 means L is 7 minus W. Then I'm going to this white equation here, okay? I'm going to say 2, let's use white ink, 2, L becomes 7 minus W is 4W minus 1. So distribute 14 minus 2W equals 4W minus 1. We're going to add 2W each side. We have 6W minus 1 equals 14. We're going to add 1 each side. Run out of space. We have 6W. Make a little bit more space here. We have 6W is 15. Divided by 6, divided by 6. W is 15 over 6 is not simplified enough because 15 is 3 times 5. 6 is 3 times 2. Oh, that's good. This is a 1. And 5 over 2 is 2.5. So W, the width is 2.5. We got a width. Let's go back to here. We're going to use this equation to find the length. Okay? All right. Or we can use the first one. I think the first one is easier. Let's use the first one. So width is 2.5. Length is 7 minus 2.5. And